Hey guys, welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today I'm participating in another Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami from the Latina next door and Ashleigh from Ashleigh Lauren. I'm super excited because I decided to do two projects because they were both really easy. The first one was this tea towel holder, and I saw it originally on Amazon for $24.99, which isn't too expensive, but I knew I could recreate it for a lot cheaper. And mine was $3. Actually, it was free, but I'm just going to go with $3 for right now, and I'll tell you why. Also, I went with this mixed grass rope wrapped planter from Kirklands. Their price was $59.99, and I was able to recreate it for $3. If you'd like to see how I did this, please keep watching. So now originally I said this was $3 only because the thrift store that I got it from had it marked for $2.99 or $3. But by the time I got there, they had it marked free because she said she'd had it for sale for a long time and nobody wanted it. So I grabbed it for this project. And I thought just hitting it with a hammer would make the top pop off, but I actually broke it. So we're just going to go with it, and I might fix it later on. And this was super simple. I just went ahead and sanded it and added a little bit of stain to it to make it a little bit grayer so it wasn't so red. And I would actually like to make my own starting from scratch, but I thought this was fun for the Look for Less project. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and start on the planter. And I got this this little planter holder from the same thrift store that I got the ladder at, and it was 99 cents. I got the rope from the Dollar Tree for $1. And I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue the rope all the way around up to the top of the planter. Then this is like the one of the DIY projects I did recently on my channel, and I'm just going to add some dirt and then a package of it was actually a clump of the grass from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to stick that in there, and it couldn't be more simple. So this is how the finished planner turned out, and I think it looks pretty darn close to what Kirkland's has for $59.99, and I only spent $3. And here is what the tea towel ladder looks like. I think it's pretty cute. Like I said, I want to recreate one myself from scratch. I would make the inside pieces a little bit wider so that I could fit bigger tea towels on. But for this project, I think it was awesome and perfect timing that I found it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed these Look for Less DIYs, and don't forget to head on over to the playlist for the Look for Less challenge and see what everybody else recreated. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!